For me, it's about love and support. A community that faces constant backlash, attacks, and condemnation for choosing to be themselves needs all the love and support that they can get. And to know that, hey, it's okay. Being an ally provides me with the platform to be supportive of the community and to be a part of the movement to make spaces more friendly and accessible for LGBT people. It is important for me as an ally to make society a space where we can all coexist peacefully. LGBT people are my friends. They are my co-workers, my drivers, my doctors, my teachers, and I can go on. Instead of joining in to bully them, let's encourage people to be accepting, to be tolerant, and to be respectful of my friends. They are humans just like you.